آماده بوانی برایس زور خوشحالم که هم در فتمان برخصا و به پیوستی دزانم سپاسی ژوری بازرگانی و انجمنی بازرگانی بکم که هم در فتیان برخصان دین که زورک لخوشکو برانم لکردستانیکانی که لامریکا دجین جارێکی تر ببینمەوە هەروەها ژمارەیەکی زۆر لە دۆست ئەمریکیەکانمان کە زۆریان لە کوردستان بوون و ماوەیەکی درێژ بوو کە نەمبینی بوون ئێستا دەیان بینمەوە بۆ من جێگەی خۆشحاڵیەکی زۆرە.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, it's my pleasure and privilege to be here to have this opportunity. I would also like to thank the U.S. Chamber of Commerce and U.S. Kurdistan Business Council for providing me with this opportunity to be here among you to meet a number of Kurds from different parts of Kurdistan whom I have not met in the past period, and also to meet some American friends, those who have been in Kurdistan and has been some time that I have not met them. I'm pleased to have this opportunity to meet you all here.
امرو جنابی سروک اوباما و جگیری سروک اوباما جنابی بایدن من بینی لوایت هاوس و من سپاسی گلی کردستانم پیراگیاندن بو او پشتیوانیه که بو کردستانیان که لکاتی کی تنگانه دولیره من دوباره او سپاسه با گلی امریکا و با سروکی امریکا و اداره امریکا دگین موا.
Today, I had the opportunity to meet with His Excellency President Obama, His Excellency Vice President Biden at the White House. I conveyed the gratitude and appreciation of the people of Kurdistan for the support that was provided for Kurdistan at a very critical time. I would like to take this opportunity again to express the appreciation of the people of Kurdistan to the President of the United States and to the people of the United States for the support that they have provided.
و من لیره و با گلی کردستان را دگینم که کوبونه و کمان زور سرکوتوانه بود.
And I would like to communicate this message to the people of Kurdistan that our meeting at the White House was very successful.
راست کردستان روبروی تحدیات زور گوره بوده که اوی شر تروریستانی داعشه بلام سپاس بخوا و بو قارمانیتی پیشمرگ قارمانکان است معادله که گراوه مبادره لدستی پیشمرگیه و 20,000 کیلومتر رزگار کراوه و لدستی داعش در هند را.
It's true that Kurdistan has faced a lot of challenges, and especially in confronting with the most brutal terrorist organization of ISIS. Thanks to the bravery of the Peshmerga forces and the support of the United States and the coalition, the situation on the ground has changed, and the initiative is now in the hands of the Peshmerga. We have been able to clear a land area which is more than 20,000 square kilometers.
محض شانازی کی گوره دکین یک که دسر دستی پیشمرگه استوره داعش تکشکن را و هر وها کردستان بو به پناهگاه بو 1.5 میلیون لی قوماو که امروز لکردستان بس آزادی و بس سربرزی دجین هرچند باره که زور قرص لسر هریمی کردستان لروی آبوریه و بلام هستمان کرد که ایما دو ارکمان لسر برانبر بام خلقه یک ارکیکی انسانیه و اویتر ارکیکی نشتیمانی.
We are proud of what the people of Kurdistan and what the Peshmergas have done. Peshmergas were able to destroy the myth of ISIS being an invisible force. The Peshmergas have defeated them in the front line. At the same time, we're proud that Kurdistan has become the safe haven to host and provide sanctuary for over 1.5 million displaced people and refugees from Syria, for people to live freely in Kurdistan. Although this is a very heavy burden on the economy of Kurdistan, but we felt that this is a humanitarian as well as a national responsibility to provide a safe haven to those who needed it.
و امول دنیا ده که ما که کردستان همیشه دمینی پناهگاه با امول قوموان و جگه دبی که همو کس تیدا بجی بسربستی و آزادی لهر دین و مذهب کنه تویک بی.
I would like to assure all of you that Kurdistan will remain to be the safe haven for all those who flee violence and security in other parts, and it will remain to be the beacon of hope and also the land of tolerance, regardless of their national, ethnic, religious, and sectarian background.
و همیشه درگاه کردستان کراوه دبی لبر دم همو او کمپانیانه که بین بو کردستان و من سپاسی او کمپانیانه دکم که لکاتی تنگانش دا کردستانیان با جنهشت و اما هزه کی معنوی گورهی بگلی امده.
Of course, the people to remain in Kurdistan and to live in freedom and enjoy freedom and liberty. And of course, Kurdistan will remain open. The doors of Kurdistan will remain open to welcome all the companies who are interested in doing business. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the companies who came to Kurdistan and remained in Kurdistan during the difficult times of the challenges that we have faced, because that has provided a lot of moral support to the people of Kurdistan as well.
نابی رگب دین پلانی تروریستان صرف کوی کردستان بردوام دبی لآودان کنوا و لبرمینان و لپیشکوتن و دنیاتان دکم و که تروریستان هیچ آینده کیان نیه لکردستان و امیدوارم لهمون نوچکه و سرکوتن حرب و دموکراسی و آزادی دبی و زور سپاسان دکم.
We should all work together in order not to allow for the terrorists to achieve their objectives, and we have to continue on focusing on reconstruction, prosperity, and well-being of the people. I can assure you as well that terrorism has no future in Kurdistan, and we hope that working together we will make sure that terrorism will have no future in our part. The success would be only for freedom and democracy. Thank you.